Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's ever thought about starting your own business, especially in the food industry, but got overwhelmed by the technical side of things, like website creation, coding, or dealing with complex platforms, this video might just be a game changer for you. I recently came across something pretty mind-blowing called FoodAI Studio, and after checking it out, I have to say it could be a major opportunity for anyone looking to enter the online food delivery space without any of the usual headaches. Now, we all know how platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub work, right? They make it so easy for restaurants to accept orders online. And while that's awesome for convenience, there's a major catch. They take a hefty chunk of every order. Typically, these platforms can charge up to 30% per order, sometimes even more. And with the way the market is growing, that percentage is only going to keep increasing. For small restaurants or local businesses, that adds up fast and can make a huge dent in their bottom line. I'm sure you can see how, over time, these fees can start to feel like a serious burden for restaurants. But what if there was a way around that? What if you could start your own food ordering business, similar to Uber Eats or DoorDash, but without giving away a single cent in commissions? And what if you could do it without knowing a thing about coding, website building, or tech? That's exactly what FoodAI Studio offers. It's an AI-powered platform that allows you to create your own fully functional food ordering website in just a few clicks, with absolutely no technical skills needed. Let's break down how this actually works, because it sounds almost too good to be true. FoodAI Studio's platform automates everything for you. You don't need to worry about developing a website, setting up payment processing, or managing deliveries. Everything from taking orders to processing payments is handled by the AI. And the best part? Once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. This is honestly a game changer for anyone who wants to enter the food ordering space, but doesn't want to deal with the logistics or the high fees of third-party platforms. So, what makes this platform different from all the others out there? Well, you can actually own and manage your own food ordering business without having to pay any commissions to third parties. That means if you set up a website using FoodAI Studio, you get to keep 100% of the profits, instead of handing over a large portion to Uber Eats, DoorDash, or any other platform. What's even more impressive is that FoodAI Studio isn't just for your own use. It's designed to be something you can sell to local restaurants. If you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, this could be a great opportunity to help restaurants launch their own ordering systems and charge them for it. You can sell these websites to local restaurants for about $997 each. Yep, you heard that right. A fully functional food ordering site for just under $1,000, and you keep all of it. No hidden fees, no commissions, no monthly subscriptions, just pure profit. And setting up these websites is incredibly easy. The platform offers a simple, user-friendly dashboard where you can customize the website to match a restaurant's branding, upload their menu, and set up payment and delivery options, all without needing to know a single line of code. It's really that simple. Let's take a quick look at how you can get started. First, all you need to do is sign up for FoodAI Studio. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to everything you need to create your own branded website in minutes. The platform is built for speed and efficiency. No waiting for days or weeks for development. No hiring developers or dealing with tech support. Just a few clicks and you're ready to launch. And once the website is live, you'll be able to accept orders and process payments automatically. It really doesn't get easier than that. One of the cool things about FoodAI Studio is that it's designed for people with zero technical experience. It's so easy to use that even someone like Sarah, who had zero experience with websites, coding, or online businesses, was able to create and sell a food ordering site for $997 in just a few days. She didn't have to learn how to code. She didn't need to hire a team. And she didn't need any upfront investment to get started. She went from nothing to nearly $1,000 in profit in a short amount of time, and that's exactly what makes FoodAI Studio so accessible to anyone. You don't need a background in tech or experience in business. You just need the right tools and a little bit of motivation to get started. And of course, the best part is that there's very little risk involved. FoodAI Studio offers a 100% money-back guarantee, so you can try it out for 30 days and see how it works for you. If you don't like the results, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. This makes it a no-brainer for anyone who's even remotely interested in starting their own food ordering business. So, whether you're looking to build a full-fledged business or just add an extra stream of income, FoodAI Studio gives you the tools to make that happen. You get to be your own boss, keep all the profits, and work on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your own business. And FoodAI Studio is here to help you do exactly that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.